Hey YouTube, what's going on? Octane Red 392. Today I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on how to change the color of your center cap on your wheels. So the screwdriver, flathead, you want to be very gentle taking this out. You want to scratch it as I have once already, but I mean, hey, live and you learn. Stick it in a little bit. Pop it out like so. There you go. You're gonna use the same type of flat piece to split this in the middle. As you can see, there's two pieces right there. You split that and then you're ready to change the color with any color vinyl you choose. I've chosen yellow. On how to change your center caps on your Dodge wheels. If you have this wheel, it's covered up. It looks like this, but I've already done this one yellow, because if you know my car, you know it's octane red and yellow. And today I'm gonna show you how to do this to the stock cap. Whether it's chrome or gray, doesn't matter. It's a two-piece cap. You pop them off and put the color on as you want. I already have mine pre-cut. I'm gonna put it on right here. Then I'm just gonna stamp it back in with this, and it's gonna be yellow. All right. At this point, you may have a little bit of a raise. What you can do with that, with any tool, you just get something metal or hard enough to push in the middle. And just rub it down in there. And there you go. And then you just, excuse the garage, I'm going through moving some stuff. You just go and pop them back in like that. Boom. There you go. Another tutorial by Octane Red 392. Hope I was able to help you personalize your own vehicle. Of course, that being a Dodge. I haven't really ventured out into other brands yet. But yeah, subscribe, comment, share. See you.